Here's how to use your Levoit Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Connect the power adapter to the base and remove the nozzle and nozzle cap from the water tank. Flip over the water tank and fill it with cool distilled water. Remember not to use hot water and do not add essential oils to the humidifier. Plug in the adapter and turn the mist level dial to your preferred setting. You can rotate the nozzle to adjust the direction of the mist. If there is no water in the tank, the humidifier will not turn on and the power button will light up red. Refill the water tank to use your humidifier. If mist is low or doesn't come out, there may be too much water in the base. Remove the water tank and empty the base chamber. Fill the water tank and place it back on the base. Your ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is set up and ready to go. Enjoy!